Feel the love when you step into the foyer. Original owner custom built 1967 charmer. Beautiful floor plan with hardwood floors. 4 bedrooms with 1 on the main, 3 full baths that are immaculate, master suite with dressing room and amp, full bath. Spacious kitchen adjacent a beautiful family room with custom wood built-ins and stone fireplace. Home has new furnace and utility/laundry room on the main floor. Walkable neighborhood with sidewalks. Fenced backyard and covered patio west/custom awning. This is your forever home with all the character of the era intact.